Hi, my dear students. This is Yarlagadda, your English faculty, a word expert and a multiple world records holder. All the topics being released through this channel are much useful to the students from upper primary level to the PG level. So, don't miss these topics. Since it is a new approach to take the content to the students, it will take some time to the students understand, to adapt, and to habituate. Right? Hi dear students, welcome to episode number 15. This episode is titled as Funny Nouns. Today through this video you are going to know some peculiar and funny noun plural forms. I don't think that you have ever heard this kind of funny plural noun forms before. You know that there are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Among the 8 parts of speech, a noun is one. According to the function of the nouns are divided into 6 types. One is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun, and count and mass nouns. According to the number of the nouns are divided into 2 types. They are singular noun forms and second one is plural noun forms. Right? You know, every noun has 2 forms. One is singular form, the second one is plural form. Today's topic is about funny plural forms of some nouns. These funny plural forms of some nouns can be divided into 4 groups. The first group is more plural forms for one singular form. The second one is plural forms without singular form. The third one is abnormal plural form. The fourth one is plural forms change into singular forms by just suffixing the letter s. Okay, let us go and see what are they. Okay, now let us discuss the 4 groups one by one in order. The first group is called more plural forms for one singular form. That means there are some particular nouns in English. Each noun of those particular nouns has one singular form and more plural forms. That means singular form is one and plural forms are more for the same noun. Let us take the example, the word rhinoceros. Rhinoceros noun has 4 plural forms. So one is rhinoceros itself, rhinoceroses, rhinocerotes, rhinoceri. The 4 plural. Now let us take the word octopus as a second example. Octopus has 3 plural forms. One is octopuses, octopodes, octopi. Are the 3 plural forms of the singular word, that means single noun, the singular form octopus. A page furnished with some important and useful nouns which have one singular form and more plural forms is here with attached for you. Go through them. The second group is nouns with plural forms without singular forms. That means there are some particular nouns in English. They are always used in plural forms because they have no singular forms. For example, take the words innings, billiards, madras, and butterfingers. These words are always used in plural forms because they have no singular forms at all. A list furnished with some important and useful nouns which are always used in plural forms is here with attached for you. Go through them. The third group is called abnormal plural forms. There are some particular nouns in English. Formation of plural forms of those nouns is quite opposite to the common phenomena. That means generally singular nouns change into plural nouns by just suffixing the letters s or es. But it is not so for this kind of nouns because those nouns are derived from other languages. They have their own way in formation of plural forms. Take the example, the word rubai. Rubai is derived from the Persian language. Rubai means a stanza. Rubaiyat is the plural form of the rubai. Take the word bandit as the second example. The word bandit belongs to Italian language. Bandit means a robber. Banditi is the plural form of the bandit. If a page furnished with some important and useful abnormal plural forms is here with attached for you. Go through it. Okay. Fourth group is called plural changes into singular when the letter S is suffixed. There are some particular nouns in English. They change into plural forms when the letter S is suffixed to each one of those singular forms. Again, they change into singular form when the S is suffixed second time to each one of those plural forms. The meaning of the each noun in plural form is different to the meaning of the each noun in singular form. For example, take the word deadline. The word deadline changes into plural form when the letter S is suffixed. Then it is called deadlines. Again, it changes into singular form when the letter S is suffixed second time. Then it is called deadliness. A page furnished with some important and useful nouns of this kind is here with attached for you. Go through it. Okay, students, I hope that you have understood the present topic perfectly. The present topic is much useful to the students who are preparing for the competitive examination. Further, the students are advised to collect some more funny nouns which are not included in the list submitted to improve their vocabulary. Okay, it is time for this week trivia and this week question. Okay, let us go and enjoy the trivia and the question. Okay, students, let us say goodbye to this present topic. I will be back in the next episode with a variety and an amazing topic. Till then, enjoy with the wonders of the word and beauty of these sentences. By the way, there is a copyrighted content in this topic. Permission is required to make use of it. Bye.